you spell it, please?
The Gruber is Grubel.
G R U.
Grubel. Oh, then you can see the Gruber, Grubel, and Lloyd, Lloyd. That's denoted by those two persons' surname. That's Gruber Lloyd index. In actual studies, this index or the GL index is widely used, especially in 1975. The two guys expressed the measurement of index of intra-industry trade as in a complex format in their book named Intra-Industry Trade. And the index, which is 1 minus this index and multiply by 100. And the formula of J for particular industry and B denotes the intra-industry index. That number range from change the multiplication of 100, and that will range from 0 to 100. The main idea of this index is that the trade between or within the industry or in an industry, the index changes between 0 and 1. So the index 1 minus get should be the index of intra-industry trade. The index shows that if the B converges to 100, the country is imports are close to the intra-industry trade. That means if the square converges to 100, the country has imports and export is closer to the intra-industry trades. So this calculation and notation is related to the aggregation of statistical data, that is, to the level of the SITC data that people choose as the industry classification standard. We at the beginning and point that this 3 digits index, SITC index, as a basis of division of industry. But if people choose 5 digits index as the basis, divided into 5 digits in index calculated on the basis of GL index, it tend to be lower than calculated on the basis of 3 digits indicators. This is because the crosser level classify the products of the same industry. At the finer level, may be classified the goods of different industries. In order to obtain the intra-industry trade index, we examine the GL index of the ICE industry. And this is one of the most commonly used indicator in the study of intra-industry trade, but its accuracy will affect due to the statistical errors and the trade imbalance. That is, the index is also biased. For example, when there is a more severe trade imbalance, net trade and net imports or net export value will be larger. The IGL index will be smaller, even when the economy all trade is the intra-industry trade. as long as there is a balance of trade, the intra-industry trade will is still less than 100. Later, the researchers noted that the actual situation and the Aquino in 1978, he, he modified his GL index a little bit.